Hello, builders and creators. samaditech is here to inspire and empower you for success. Explore our carefully selected tool collections and unlock your creativity in the workshop. The DeWalt Tire Inflator is a highly versatile and efficient tool designed for demanding tasks. It offers 3 power options: a 20-volt battery, 12-volt DC, or 110-volt AC, providing flexibility for various settings. Its threaded chuck ensures a secure connection to the valve, and the included attachments make it simple to inflate a wide range of items, from vehicle tires to sports equipment. With a digital pressure gauge, you can easily set your desired air pressure, while the automatic shutoff ensures precise inflation. The large capacity hose allows for fast inflation and can be switched to the deflate port for quick air release. Additional features like the built-in LED flashlight enhance visibility in dark environments, and the sturdy rubber feet minimize movement during operation. Compact and portable, this inflator is a reliable companion for both emergencies and everyday use. The WEICON cable knife is a tool designed for precise, efficient, and safe stripping of round cables ranging from 0.16 to 1.1 inches in diameter. It features an adjustable cutting depth screw, ensuring internal conductors remain undamaged during use. Its self-rotating blade automatically transitions between circular and longitudinal cuts for seamless operation. Additionally, the tool incorporates a wire and strand stripping function within its compact body. Made from durable, fiberglass reinforced polyamide and equipped with high-quality knife steel blades, this cable knife ensures long-lasting performance. Its ergonomically designed handle offers a comfortable grip, while its fully insulated construction prioritizes safety during electrical work. The Hilti laser rangefinder ensures precise measurements up to 656 feet, powered by PULSA technology for quick and accurate distance calculations, even under challenging outdoor conditions. It supports area and volume measurements, includes 3 Pythagorean modes, and offers features like painter's area calculations, distance presets, memory storage, and a timer. Its e-paper display enhances readability and bright lighting, while the optical viewfinder aids in long-distance measurements. The built-in 360-degree tilt sensor allows for versatile usage, and the device functions effectively in temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. With a rugged, water and dust-resistant design, this rangefinder is built for durability and reliable performance. Create durable and versatile connections effortlessly with the Kreg Quick-Release double-sided insert. This handy tool is perfect for tasks like joining corners, attaching false drawer fronts, and much more. One end features a drill bit for adjustable depth pilot holes, while the other side has a 3/8-inch countersink for precise fits. Equipped with a quick-change hex shank, this insert works seamlessly with various drill types, ensuring maximum flexibility across applications. Its ergonomic, user-friendly design and impact-resistant construction make it durable and efficient for a wide range of woodworking projects. Handling logs becomes significantly simpler with Fisker's Wood Expert tongs, expertly designed for lifting, stacking, and transporting logs. These tongs are equipped with a metal trigger that spreads sharp, gripping blades apart, allowing them to securely bite into the wood. The log's weight further enhances the grip, ensuring safe and efficient handling. Crafted from boron-hardened steel, the blades are coated with a protective layer to resist corrosion, offering exceptional durability and reliability. The compact design includes an ergonomic handle and anti-slip knurled pads, ensuring a firm grip even when wearing gloves. This versatile tool is perfectly suited for both right and left-handed users, making it an essential addition for logging tasks. The Rust-Oleum marking machine is crafted for fast and accurate line marking on parking lots, roads, and sports fields. Featuring durable wheels, it smoothly glides over different surfaces to produce even lines between 2 and 4 inches wide. A handy storage compartment holds up to 12 additional paint cans, allowing for continuous marking over large areas without frequent stops. Specifically designed for use with inverted Rust-Oleum paint cans, it delivers clean, precise lines every time. Its bright yellow body ensures high visibility on the job site, making this tool ideal for road marking, landscaping, or any task that demands quick and accurate line creation. A dependable and time-saving partner. Astro Onyx gear is built for heavy-duty tasks delivering 250% more cutting power than standard air saws. It effortlessly cuts through mild steel up to 1/4 inch thick, making it an ideal choice for demanding jobs. This air saw is compatible with universal 1/2 inch shank saw blades and can also use reciprocating saw blades, enhancing its versatility. It's widely utilized in automotive, metalworking, and other industries where precise and efficient cutting is crucial. Powered by compressed air, this tool provides speed and accuracy, ensuring professional-grade performance. Our SeeSnake system is a reliable, adaptable, and user-friendly solution for inspecting and recording footage of pipes, ducts, chimneys, and other difficult-to-reach spaces. It features 131 feet of flexible, 0.26-inch diameter push cable, optimized for navigating tight branch lines, sharp turns, and short mainline segments. The camera's self-leveling head ensures consistently upright image orientation, while adjustable LED lights provide bright illumination for detailed visuals. Its built-in inclinometer measures and displays the camera angle directly on the monitor. Equipped with a high dynamic range sensor, the camera minimizes overexposure and shadows, delivering clear and detailed imagery. The compact design enhances portability, while the robust probe ensures flexibility for maneuvering through bends and extended reaches. For a reliable sawing tool, the Milwaukee 12-inch double-column sliding head miter saw is an outstanding choice, combining exceptional precision, power, and ease of use. Its locking mechanism allows for quick and accurate bevel angle adjustments, while the digital display provides repeatable accuracy to 0.1 degrees. Dual integrated lights enhance visibility by fully illuminating both the workpiece and cutting line on each side of the blade. With constant power technology and a soft start feature, the saw maintains a consistent cutting speed, even under load, which reduces head movement during startup. Additionally, the saw's dust extraction channel captures up to 75% of cutting dust, keeping the workspace cleaner and more efficient. The PULSA gas-powered cordless nailer, designed specifically for dry systems. Its automatic adjustment capability allows you to work seamlessly with a variety of materials, including tough surfaces like concrete and steel, as well as lighter options like hollow, plastered bricks. The tool features a smart fuel injection system and a frame-by-frame blanking mechanism to eliminate unnecessary firing, ensuring precise operation. A built-in LED indicator keeps you informed about the battery status and gas cylinder capacity, which is easily installed into the tool. The start-and-go system optimizes energy use, allowing for up to 3,000 nails to be driven on a single battery charge. Designed for durability, this nailer is dust and debris resistant and can perform reliably in temperatures ranging from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Its slim profile enables access to tight spaces, and the non-slip handle ensures comfortable and efficient handling. The octagonal blade fabric cutting machine is designed to make fabric cutting faster and more efficient. Equipped with a 4-inch rotating aluminum blade, it ensures precise and smooth cuts across various materials. Its powerful AC motor is capable of cutting through fabrics up to 1 inch thick. For consistent performance, the tool includes an automatic sharpener that keeps the blade razor sharp with every use. Safety is prioritized with adjustable front and fixed side blade guards, offering protection during operation. This electric cutter is user-friendly, providing stable and effortless movement. It can cut up to 15 layers of material, including cotton, leather, wool, knits, silk, and sponge. This versatile machine is ideal for multiple applications such as garment manufacturing, textiles, nonwovens, quilting, rugs, and paper goods. It's a reliable choice for both professional and crafting needs. Loggerhead Bionic Wrench is an innovative hand tool that merges the functionality of pliers with an adjustable wrench. This 8-inch tool applies force evenly over the surface of nuts and bolts, automatically adjusting to fit a variety of sizes while reducing stress on their corners. Its fully adjustable design allows for one-handed operation and enhances gripping power, making adjustments quick and effortless. Engineered to prevent slipping, stripping, or rounding of fasteners, it also protects work surfaces from scratches, making it ideal for softer materials like aluminum. plastic, and copper. The ergonomic and universal design ensures comfortable use in either hand and in any position. Additionally, this tool is effective at removing damaged or worn fasteners, providing a versatile and reliable solution for various tasks. The DeWalt Dish RIR metal cutting attachment is an adaptable tool capable of cutting through materials up to 18 gauge, including sheet metal, corrugated metal, ductwork, roofing shingles, steel mesh, vinyl siding, wire, plastic, cardboard, and rubber. Its standout feature is the 360-degree rotating head, which allows for cuts in any direction, even in tight or difficult areas. Designed to work with nearly all 18-volt drills and impact drivers across various brands, it uses a standard quick hex shank. This attachment can replace several tools like metal shears, vinyl cutters, and roofing cutters, making it a highly versatile and practical addition to your toolkit.